who are watching us live through this Zoom meeting. We are conducting the nursery draw for session 2022-23. I, Chandan Patwal, Additional Principal, along with our Principal, Dr. Irene Salas, our Additional Principal, Mr. Gary Bond, to the right of my side, and our Senior Vice Principal, Mr. Dharmendra Pan. I welcome you all to the nursery draw for upcoming session 2022-23. I hope all of you can hear me clearly. Our audio level is okay. I hope our audio and video level is okay with all of you. Alright, great. So dear parents, welcome to this draw. As we face this 2-year mark of Corona pandemic, we turn to God in times of fears and uncertainty, as we do in times of joy, happiness and celebration. So we all join our hands in prayer and ask God to enable us and give us strength to face the challenges created by this Corona pandemic. We request God to enable us, enlighten us and enrich our senses so that we may execute our duties to the best of our capabilities and following the social norms. We also wish and pray for the good health of each and every one of you and hope that our prayers will be heard and very soon we'll get out of this weird situation. So with that prayer, I start the proceedings for the day. Welcome once again, and I thank each and every one of you for showing your interest and trust in St. Xavier's Chandigarh. Unsealed now, these are all sealed. So I request the sealers. All 310 applicant slips are in this bowl. So now we will open the seal. I request our principal ma'am, Dr. Irene Salas, to do the needful. So there we go. So I hope everything is set, all ready. So we have understood 2-3 important points. Everybody is okay? So we go ahead with the draw. Yes, so all of you keep your eyes on the screen, feet on ground and fingers crossed. Let's do the nursery draw for session 2022-23. So here we begin, and we have 2 little babies with us. To start off the proceedings, Irene, please come. Yes, so you all can see we have got 2 little ones with us, so I request one of them, just shuffle it well and take out 2 bracelets. One more, I think. One more. Give us. So the first successful candidate for the day is 17187 Satvik. 17187 Satvik. Second seat goes to 17204 Ashish. I'll be reading out the form number. So all of you must be having form number with you. At the time of registration, you all were given the pick of that form number. So everybody must be having form. Who are rejoining? Kindly mute yourself. So welcome back to the draw for next session 2022-23. So just a quick recap of what we have done in first meeting. We are doing draw for 100 seats in general category, and we are not doing draw for the reserve category. In reserve category we have 80 seats. Those seats have already been allocated. So we are doing draw for 100 seats. Today we'll take out 100 and plus 20 backup in waiting list. And in the first meeting we selected 53 candidates. So before we ended the meeting, we sealed this bowl containing all the slips, and we are going to open the seal now. So we are opening the seal of this bowl once again. 53 seats have been allocated till now. And please show them. We are shuffling it well once again. So now 47 more in general category, followed by 20 in waiting list. I hope all of you can hear us clearly. The list of selected candidates will be displayed on our school website by evening today, and it will also be displayed at the school reception. So before we start, all those who have been selected, and maybe they are not present in this meeting now, so all of you, those who are selected, you can contact the school office from 24th January onwards. From Monday onwards, the payment bracket is till 11th of February. After 11th of February, the seat goes to the waiting list. So let's begin. Ira, please come. Take out 2 more. So the next selected candidate is 16859 Amira. 16859 is Amira, and 17155 is Suhani Kaur. 17155 Suhani Kaur. Get the first preference. So please, all of you, please have patience, and in waiting list also you have a very high probability of getting selected, because there are many, rather most of them, those who apply in many schools. Few seats will remain vacant, and these waiting list candidates will get the first preference. So please have patience. Now I am reading out all the selected candidates' names. 100 seats have been allocated in general category. I'll go slow. Please have patience and listen to me. 16818. See, the form number has to be heard very carefully. 16818 Kainat Kaur. 16845 Shahjar Singh, 16850 Pranshi, 16851 Mahira, 16854 Gajita Thakur, 16856 Sayansh Thakur, 16859 Amira,